Nyam nyam. Dude, I swear to God, nyam nyam, no. Okay, listen. What? I smell something, chat. I smell something, chat. Give me that shit. Dude, as we speaking, she's eating that. As we are speaking about the snack, she's eating this shit. I smell this from 3 kilometers away. I smell this from 3 kilometers away. Apollo waffle. I'ma put it at A, chat. Why? Okay, listen. Why? I feel like Apollo waffle is great, but I'm gonna put it at A because I know there's some more snacks that is in S tier. It is okay if I put it in A tier. No cap. Okay, next we got durian. Durian, this durian keropok is my wife's favorite, but not mine. S tier? Should I put S tier or A? I don't quite like it. S tier? S tier. Okay, the thing is, right? The funny thing is, she doesn't even like durian, but she eat this shit. She doesn't even eat durian. She eat this. She loves this. She doesn't even like durian. What is this, chat? What is this? Muruku? Sama doh, wait. Guizi also? What is this? Muruku? That is goddamn muruku, right? No, Muruku baby is here. Chat, Muruku baby is here, FEG. You know what? Skip that first. Kopiko. I'm gonna put it A. Kopiko is good, but not that best. Not the best. Alright? Kopiko is good, but not that best. Not best, yeah? Right? Yeah, it's A. I'll put it A. Okay. Okay, with this ikan stringy. Okay, chat. With this ikan stringy, it is according to, it is situational. Chat, listen to me. It is situational. If you watching movie and then you eating this shit, that shit gonna be gone in 5 seconds, dude. I swear. That shit gonna be gone in 5 seconds. But if you able to give me just right there, I'm gonna put it at B. Yeah, if you want to go to road trip, it is fire. But if you want to eat it now while watching streams, hell no. That is not for me, chat. I'm gonna put it at B, dude. I'm gonna put it at B. Yeah, B now. Yeah. It's not the best, but I can eat it. No, I can't put it at... Dude, I can't put it as dude. I don't like fish things too dry. Yeah, it is too dry. Letak keropok kentang yang ada sos tomato. Ada, I think ada. There is. Mana? Weh, tak ada tu. Ya, tak ada lah dalam list ni. Ada. I don't know, bro. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. Okay. Apollo chocolate waffle, listen to me, chat. Apollo chocolate waffle is S tier. Do not question that shit. Apollo chocolate waffle is S tier. No cap. Apollo S tier is the best, man. Apollo checker lah. This is not Apollo checker, no? That is S tier. How about this one? Dude, this shit is S tier too, chat. Apollo waffle, dude. What do you call this one? The Apollo thingy where there's chocolates inside? This shit is S tier too. No cappers. I don't know what do you call this. Apollo steak might be. No, waffle. The stick waffle thingy. This one. The Apollo steak waffle. Waffle steak. Yeah, waffle steak. This shit is S tier too. I love this. Yes. I love this. Now, listen now. That's meat for you? Wait, you guys don't like this shit? What? That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Alright, Nabati. Listen to me, chat. Nabati. Listen to me. Nabati. It's too much. C. I'm gonna put it C. It's too much, dude. It's too goddamn much, bro. Nabati bait, yeah, I agree. Nabat is too much. Nabati is mid, dude. You know what? I'll put it at D, even worse. It's not like I hate Nabati. Listen, if you eat one stick of Nabati, it's I. But if you eat 2 or 3 more, you are going to get sick, chat. I swear, if you eat one overhyped to eat it, bro. It is sweet and it is too cheesy. It is too goddamn cheesy, dude. I can't eat that cheesy thingy. I hate that cheesy thingy. Nabati sedap kalau kau tak ada duit. What the? That is too cheesy. It's too cheesy. Aku makan 2 times, bro. That's crazy. Oh, dude. Okay, Nabati is D. Nyam nyam. Dude, I swear to God, nyam nyam, no. Okay, listen. Listen what? I smell something, chat. I smell something, chat. I smell something, chat. Give me that shit. Give me that shit. Give me that shit. Dude, as we speaking, she's eating that. As we are speaking about the snack, she's eating this shit. I smell this from 3 kilometers away. I smell this from 3 kilometers away. I'm gonna take a bite, bro. I have some for the stream, man. I have some. Guys, cepat makan. Bismillah. Oh, wow. Wow, thank you so much for follow. Wow, that's it. Really. Wow. Oh, God. Thank you so much for follow. Wow. Okay. Now, I have to explain to you guys why I put Nyam Nyam as no. Okay? Now, okay, listen. As a kid, right, I don't have time to put a plastic stick into a goddamn chocolate and then put into the goddamn crackers and then eat it. Who have time for that? Who have time for that? Who have time for that, bro? You know what I mean? Kind of like your streaming vibe though. Keep it up. Thank you so much, wow. Appreciate you. Yeah, Nyam is complicated as hell. I don't want to, dude, the reason why I want to eat Nyam Nyam, because there's some toys below it. That's it. You have, wait, no. If you pass me Nyam Nyam, get the fuck out of here, bro. Dude, I don't want to be friends with you. Get the fuck out of here. I don't want Nyam Nyam. But chat, if I see Tum Tum, where should I put Tum Tum? S tier or A tier? Laga bungkus sekali habis. Indeed, dude. S tier. Dude. Tum Tum is good. Okay, Tum Tum is good. No cap. Tum Tum is good. B for you? Yeah, Tum Tum is S tier, dude. Tum Tum is S tier, chat. Oh yeah. Oh, I just remembered. The new Tum Tum is whack as fuck, dude. The new Tum Tum is whack as fuck. Back in the days, Tum Tum is so goated, dude. Now they want to put, what? They put so much things inside it, doesn't even feel better. But we are talking about the back in the days, bro. We're talking about back in the days, bro. You know, back in the days. Put that shit down. Aye. Let's put it. A. I'll put it A. I'll put it A. It's still a good. How about Oreo, chat? Okay, how about Oreo? Listen to me. Oreo with milk, S tier. Oreo alone, A tier. Y'all agree or not? Oreo with milk is S tier, but Oreo alone, A tier. You know what I mean? If you have Oreo and milk, you dip it in the milk, that shit is going to be amazing as a mother trucker, dude. Oreo milk. Oreo with orange juice? Are you a maniac, dude? Oreo with orange juice is a maniac, dude. FEG is a maniac, dude. Ban FEG. Aku dip dekat air kosong sejuk. What? Yo, are you guys crazy? Dude, how are you guys okay dipping Oreo other than milk? Air kosong lagi teruk. Orange juice lagi teruk. Wait, how on earth are you gonna feel sweet and sour at the same time? At least aku ada buah. That's not the point, FEG. That's not the fucking point. At least aku ada buah. What the fuck is that supposed to mean? That's not the point, bro. Alright, I put it A, I put it A, I put it A. How about Cocoa Pie though? Cocoa Pie, don't talk to me. Cocoa Pie, don't talk to me. You know what? Even this, I put it in F, dude. I mean E. Cocoa Pie, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I hate Cocoa Pie. I hate Cocoa Pie, dude. Dude, the thing is, I love sweet things, but Cocoa Pie is just not for me. I don't know why Cocoa Pie is not for me. Boycott one thing. What do you mean? Dude, Cocoa Pie, I hate Cocoa Pie, dude. I hate Cocoa Pie. Dude, I can't, bro. Cocoa Pie is, I don't know. It gives you an illusion. Okay, for example, like if you see a chocolate thingy, so fluffy and what, right? Oh my god, this is going to be the most softest thing ever I'm gonna bite. If you bite into that shit hard, bro. I got scammed with that shit when I was 5 years old. I got scammed, bro. I thought that shit is going to be fluffy, all chocolate. But it is hard as fuck, dude. You know what I mean? I got scammed. Show you me? Ada show me? Okay, how about Nini, chat? I'll put Nini at A. B or A? Okay, I'll put it A. Okay, Nini A. Alright, Nini is A. Benda tu sudah kalau kau dapat free, I have microwave it before and become black. What the fuck? You over microwave that shit, dude. Now that's bias. What do you mean? Nini is goated, dude. You dip it in, just eat. Dip it in, just eat. I like the concept, dude. No, it's not the same as Nyam, bro. It's not the same as Nyam. You cannot eat the goddamn plastic stick. But this one, you can eat everything. Listen to what I'm saying. With Nini, you can eat everything that you dipped in. But not with Nyam Nyam. Because Nyam, you cannot eat the plastic stick. Come on. But, Nini pecah tak lawak tu. True. You got a point. If it is broken, it's GG. It's GG, dude. Hi, Chupa Chups. Chupa Chups is overhyped. I put it A. Webcam Masal, yeah, it's a bit glitchy. I'm sorry for that, Ardian. I put Chupa Chups at A. It's overhyped. You know, it's overhyped. Lollipop is going to be Lollipop. See, I put it A lah, because I enjoy Lollipop. You know what I mean? I enjoy Lollipop, but not too much. Yeah. Dude, this shit, no. I hate this. You guys know what the fuck is this? This, the Assam thingy. No. No. I hate this one, dude. Dude, I hate the texture. I hate the taste. What do you call this one again? It's, the sour thingy. Dude, this is, no. I can't, bro. It is too goddamn. No, not for me. Not for me. Indeed. So what the fuck you mean? Dude, yeah, the aftertaste is bleh. Indeed. I hate the aftertaste, dude. Okay, double decker. Yeah, double decker. It was I. Double decker A. It was I. Oh, plum something. Yeah. Dude, chat. Y'all gonna hate me for this? I'll put it A. No cap. Because Yeah, because it's not the spicy version. Because it is the chicken version. The chicken taste. You know, I'll put it A, okay? I hope you guys can agree with me. Because it's the chicken version. There's a spicy version? There is, right? There is. So I'll put it at A, okay? Then put the spicy version lah. It's not here. I don't see it. Okay, chat. Okay, chat. Bigfoot. 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 Where should I put Bigfoot, chat? Bigfoot. I'll put it at B. Alright? Okay, listen. Oh shit! The Booty Hunter, thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate you, my man. Wait, the Twitch alert is blocking the goddamn thing. My bad. Okay, so it should be here. Thank you so much for the follow, Booty. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Game apa ni nak main, guys? It's not game. It's not game, tapi tier list lah. You know, tier list. Stream NTC. What do you mean NTC? Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate you, man. Welcome in. I'm doing a snack tier list. Malaysian snack tier list. Alright? Okay, listen to me. The reason why I put Bigfoot at B is because you have to take the goddamn candy and then dip it in some type of powder, right? That thing could be annoying. You know what I mean? That thing could be annoying. And I hate when it spills all over your goddamn body. Or your trousers ke apa. You know? So I'll put Bigfoot at B. Aku tak nak jilat kaki. That's a valid point. Benda tu melekit tau. It is melekit. It is going to be annoying in a bit, bro. Alright? Okay, Bika. Bika S tier. Don't talk to me. Bika is S tier. Don't talk to me. Bika is S tier. Don't talk to me. FEG, don't talk to me. FEG, don't talk to me. Bika is S tier, dude. Kadang-kadang size pun tak sama. Indeed. Kadang-kadang jari ada tak ada. You don't like, dude. What do you say? Bika is a poor man's papadom? Dude, papadom is different than Bika, man. Papadom is different than Bika, dude. What do you mean, papadom? What the fuck? Okay, how about this one? I feel neutral. C. I'm gonna put this 888 thingy at C. I'm neutral. It's not the best. It's not even the sweetest. But probably the feeling of you popping that shit out from that shit. It's not even sweet. Right? It's not even sweet. It's not even the true chocolate. It feels the chocolate is so plasticky. So I'll put it in C. Bika lepas sekolah agama hit different. Talk your shit. Yes sir. Okay, Muruku ikan. Don't talk to me. It's S tier, dude. Muruku ikan, baby. S tier, man. Come on, dude. I feel like every Malaysian should agree with me. This is an S tier, dude. Muruku ikan, baby. Ay, sumpah tu. Dude, and then kita pelik. Kenapa kita... It's just I don't agree with the packaging. Why do you have to put a baby lying down without baju and seluar? Pakai diapers je. Huh? What type of packaging is that? What? If this shit, dude, if this shit went viral on 2025, this shit gonna get banned, dude. That's the owner. If that's the owner, even crazier. Kan? How is this packaging is not cancelled? Probably because the taste is good. Yeah, probably the taste is good. I do get it. Propaganda like Dali. Remember? Do you guys know about Dali? Okay, at first, Dali's mascot is the black guy. You know what I mean? Dali's mascot is the black guy. And then racism happened. Blah, 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 blah. They change it to a white person. Yeah, that's the story about Dali, dude. It tastes like baby. FEG, you need to get jail. You are lucky my jail is not functioning right now. What the hell? It tastes like baby. It's crazy. Toki. I don't want to see anything say about this. I hate Toki. What do you mean? I hate Toki. Toki is the dipping one, right? No. Dude, I hate Toki, chat. Dude, if I see this shit on the... Wait, chat, listen. Okay, if I go to a supermarket, if I go to a kedai runcit, right? Okay, if I go to a kedai runcit, I see Toki, get the fuck out of here. You know what I mean? That's the hate I have with Toki, dude. You know what I mean? Oh my god. I don't like Toki, dude. I don't like Toki. You should try the keropok. Probably because I hate tomato. I don't eat tomato, dude. The taste of tomato is crazy, man. Toki masin jalebi. Yeah. Never had Toki Sabah. Wait, really? Oh, you guys don't have Toki Sabah? Oh, if you come here, you should try Toki. That shit ass. Alright, dude. Toki is A-list, dude. I can't, dude. Toki is... I hate... Okay, you know what? We agree to disagree, alright? Let's put D. Agree to disagree. Maybe kat Sabah nama dia Tokima. What do you mean? What do you mean? You should taste this again? Yeah, probably. Okay. Keropok roda is S tier, no cap. Hey, you know what? A tier. Keropok roda is A tier. Why? Because if you eat 10 of those straight, it is going to taste like shit. Dude. The chemical inside that thing, oof. You can feel dizzy, yeah. You're gonna get dizzy too. You're gonna taste the plasticky thingy. Yeah. What? It is good. But if you eat more than 10, that shit gonna be like, yeah. I thought I was the only one. No. Me too. It's sweet and salty at the same time, indeed. They changed how it made. Really? But kalau pedas ngau, imagine if you could shake it with paprika. Ooh, that'd be fire. Buy this shit, ambil bekas, letak paprika, shake that shit up. Ooh. I know we're supposed to boycott and all that, but Milo Nuggets, Milo Nuggets is the best, dude. Hey, yeah, Milo Nuggets is the best. I know we're supposed to boycott Nestle, but free Palestine, free Palestine. Is it enough? No. Free Palestine, free Gaza, free Palestine. Milo Nugget is S tier, dude. Oh, it's not enough? Free Palestine, dude. Dude. Milo Nugget is S tier, dude. Used to buy it, speak mad and shit. Dude, every time I go to Lotus, I always pick that Milo Nugget. Milo Nuggets sebab kita pakai free Palestine, man. Korang tahu tak, dia keluarkan yang baru, Milo Nuggets double chocolate. Time kita tengah boycott tu, dia keluarkan yang baru, Milo Nugget double chocolate. The audacity. Double chocolate, I am so sorry, I took that shit. I took it without second thought. Oh, double chocolate. That shit mine. Oh my god, dude. Okay, Tora. I'll put it B. You know what? No, B. C. Why I put Tora as C? Okay, why I put Tora as C? Okay, why I put Tora and Ding Dong at C? Why? Okay, why? I like the chocolate balls, but I always got the shit toys, chat. you have to understand my pain back in the days, dude. I always got shit toys, dude. I don't understand. Okay, me and my friend bought Stora. Okay, I bought 5 Tora. My friend bought 5 Tora. He got 5, all of the 5 boxes, he got all the beautiful toys, all the little shit, and I got all the shit ones. The one that doesn't have any eye, doesn't have any arm. Like, what the fuck? So you have to make that count, bro. I have pain, bro. Okay, ini zaman dulu punya. Bro, skill issues, fuck you, dude. What do you mean? What do you mean? Aku marah dia beli Tora, sekarang aku tahu kenapa. Yeah, that's what I say. Okay, dulu nama dia apa? Sekarang yang orang panggil the master, the Labubu, gacha toys, gacha box ini yang Labubu gacha kan? Blind box. Yeah, this is the OG blind box, dude. Yeah, blind box. This is the OG blind box, dude. This is the OG blind box, man. I swear to God, dude. Hex! I don't know. Hex is A. I think. I put Hex at A. Why? Hex is not. No, I put B. I put B. Because why? Hex is something that you eat if you're sick. It's not something that you could eat macam. It's not something you could eat like while I'm streaming. I'm gonna eat it while I'm streaming. No. Oh, but their blackcurrant is fire, dude. Chat, listen. Have you guys tasted the blackcurrant one? Oh, the blackcurrant one is fire, dude. Ooh, wee. Dude, the blackcurrant one is fire. I swear. The blackcurrant is fire, dude. Because of the... Yeah, I put it A. Some Prasa is okay, some Prasa is not. Contos. How about Contos, chat? Where should we put Contos? Contos is alright. Right? Yeah, Contos is mid. The small packets of Contos are S tier? Yeah, it is, dude. It is. I think I put it A. It is quite good. Hex Merah and Hex Blackcurrant. Oh, that too. Wait, Hex Merah? Do you guys like Hex Merah? Jagung selalu sangkut dengan gigi, indeed. Depends on the flavor though. Kalau Contos, indeed. But the thing is, okay, the reason why I like the mini Contos is you just can repeat only the corner of the packaging and then you do this, chat. Whenever you eat Contos, you do this, right? Right? Okay, let's go. Chappy for the follow, thank you so much. Sus, what do you mean? Hex Merah is for old man? Okay. I really like the spicy or BBQ Contos, indeed. Me too. Okay. This, I don't know what you call this cracker, but this shit is S tier, chat. What do you call this cracker masing-masing tu? Oh, this Chinese cracker is the best. If you hate this shit, don't talk to me. This is S tier, dude. This is S tier. The Chinese cracker. What do you call this? Biskut beras. Yeah. The rice cracker. Yeah, biskut beras. I berteringat. Thank you so much, guys, for tapping the screen. Oh, on TikTok, y'all, tap the screen if you guys enjoy the stream. Make it like 10k likes, alright? Make it 10k likes, yeah? This shit is fire, dude. This shit is fire. And for me, okay, I used to... Okay, story time. Story time, chat. Story time. Okay, I used to study at the... Course ramai in English apa? Ya, dulu aku sekolah asrama. So, selalunya after we went back after holiday, kalau balik pada cuti, obviously mak-mak, parents akan belikan anak-anak snacks. For example, ada yang bawa bika, ada bawa macam tong biskut tu and all that. And if anybody bring the biskut beras, that kid is rich as fuck. Orang kaya dulu, orang kaya je ada benda ni. Orang kaya je ada biskut ni. True or not, chat? Dude, kalau ada duit je boleh beli. Cause this shit is, I would say, makanan orang kaya tu. Ni, benda ni makanan orang kaya. Kalau aku balik asrama, tengok dia ada benda ni, oh, ni mesti orang kaya ni. Ni mesti orang kaya ni. You know? Dia jenis ada Walkman, you know? Cause this shit is expensive back the days, dude. What the fuck is this? Nah. I hate this, bro. Whatever you call this shit, I hate this. No, I'm gonna pass that. What the fuck is that shit? Ni yang ada manis dia tu keras tu Dia biskut lepas tu ada manis dia keras tu Icing biscuit. I hate the icing, dude. I hate icing. What up, Podos? Welcome into the stream, dude. Hi, Podos. No. I hate this. FVG, put it on the trash bin. I clock that tea, chat. Clock that tea. Dude, I hate this. That shit don't deserve no. At least, no, dude, I cannot. Dia macam-macam warna. Yeah, I cannot eat this. I swear. I cannot eat this. I swear. I'm not bugging, chat. I cannot eat this. I cannot. It's childhood treasure, man. Not my childhood, dude. Keras as fuck, dude. Keras, dude. I swear. Keras. It is so hard, bro. I like my shit wet. I mean, hold up now. Wait, what? Okay, hold up now. What? Once dah gigit icing macam gigit cengkeh. You know what I'm talking about? Oh my. Okay, biskut timbang sedap, but this one cannot, not for me. Okay, chat. I know you guys gonna hate this. Nano. If you guys remember the song, oh nano. Sweet, sour and salty. Nano. This shit, chat. Oh my god, I feel old as fuck, dude.
Oh nano, saya tak sabar. Saya gemar. Rasanya segar. Manis, masam-masam.
Nano.
Wow, keenakannya sungguh luar biasa.
Oh my god, I swear. Nano legend as fuck, dude. That's S tier for me. No cappers. S tier for me, no cap. Nano is alright. Nano sweet. If I could eat Nano now, right now, chat. Oh, how about Physicola, chat? Physicola is B. Right? I think Physicola is B. Do you guys know who Physicola is? It's not Physicola. Dia candy yang ada cola dalam dia. It was B. It's not the best. It's not the best. It's not the worst. I would say it's B. I just hate when I bite into it. Dia ada macam fizzy. So macam, I don't like that. It's whatever. Yeah, it's whatever. Too much it tastes like indeed, bro. Okay, Mommy Monster, chat. A. Physical sedap. You guys like it physical lah. S. Apa dia A, dude? Apa dia A? Apa dia A, dude? Apa dia A? It's not S for me. It is a goated one. What up, Let's do? Chad, y'all could agree with me if I put it A, alright? Mommy Monster Big League though, A kira Big League. Monster kira. Yeah, even Mommy Monsters nowadays is so freaking small, dude. It is so freaking small. Have you bought the latest one? Dude, back in the days, it is bigger than your palm, dude. Now, sumpah kecil gila. Kecil gila. Like your pipi. Okay, choki. Choki. Choki is the best. Choki. Choki, if you watching this video, sponsor me please. I love Choki. Dude, do you guys know about the duo flavor? Ooh. The duo flavor is The duo flavor is crazy. Back then it was better, but it's still goated. It is still goated, dude. Hey, duo. But I hate it when it is too cold. When it is cold, it's gonna get hard. Pernah dah lekat dekat roti dulu. Oh, yeah, wait. If you put choki in the middle of roti, if you eat it with a roti, dude, that shit is a feast. That thing, the thing that I just said about, that is a feast, chat. A feast, dude. I swear. Cold heart, just like me. Let me take a pause on that. Prove that brown and white go good together. What the fuck do you mean, FEG? What the hell do you mean, FEG? What the hell do you mean? So you suggest that our people should date white people? Is that what you suggest? Come on now. Letak coki jilat kat jari. Hey Astra, you zesty as fuck. Okay, green pea snack is my favorite, dude. Come on now. Green pea snack is my favorite, dude. I swear to God. Letak coki on your tip. The fuck? Pass, you guys don't like this one? Come on. I don't know why people don't like green pea snack. Dude, green pea snack is goated, dude. Green peas double decker je. Double decker je. This one is not double decker Oh, this is not double decker. But yeah, but ni green peas sedap. Green peas sedap gila. But dekat double decker je lah. Dude, I love green peas, man. Is I eat it, I guess. You eat everything, dude. Chachos. Ooh. Is it chachos or nachos? I'll put nachos at A. It's nachos, right? Propoduran dekat S dia. Oh, it's not nachos it's chachos. Chachos I put at A. Sedap. Okay, sedap. But the thing is with chachos, right? It always hurt my langit, dude. Because chachos is so fucking pointy. If you eat it, it will stab your langit, dude. It will stab your langit. So I'll put it... No. You know what? I'll put it B. Because you might get injured. With chachos. Oh, by the way, chat. Do you know Lays? Korang tahu Lays tak? Lays. Lays. You guys know Lays? I'm pretty sure you guys know Lays. Jenama Lays tu kan? So, hear me out, chat. Okay? Hear me out, chat. Lays is goated, right? It's a good snack. Hear me out, chat. Tomorrow, run to your nearest Lotus supermarket and get their and get their version of Lay's. Their spicy one, the ragged one, oh my god. Lotus, bukan apa nama dia? Chips. Lotus chips is sorry, not latest, Lotus. Lotus chips is crazy, dude. Tomorrow, go to your nearest Lotus supermarket and get that shit, dude. Lotus brand is good, dude. And it is cheaper than Lay's. Lay's is expensive as hell. Go to your nearest Lotus supermarket, dude. Lay's is too much air, is true. Lay's is like buying air, indeed, bro. Yeah, Lotus brand. Go to Lotus. Lotus brand is super good. Yeah, 7E also as well. 7E also good. But Lotus, if you wanna compare the price, it is so cheap, dude. Go run to your Lotus supermarket. Yeah, Lotus supermarket sponsor me as well. Come on now. I have so many sponsors now. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. By the way, if you guys enjoy the stream, make sure you tap the screen on TikTok. If you enjoy the stream on the Purple app, make sure to follow me as well. If you have money, drop me some subs. If you have money, gifted some subs. You know what I mean? I'm joking. Alright, let's go. Okay. Supering is S tier. Supering is S tier, dude. Supering is S tier, man. Okay, why I put it S tier is because Supering itself is super good, right? And then when you eat the cheese on your finger after that, oh, wait, come on now. Supering is goated. There's a reason Supering is Korea's favorite. Oh, wait, Supering is Korea's favorite. It got super for a reason? Huh? Okay. Chickadees. Wait, dude, Chickadees is an old ass goddamn snack, dude. I forgot Chickadees. Which one is Chickadees, dude? Chickadees? Which one is Chickadees? Not this one, bruh. Chickadees yang mana I forgot, dude. Chickadees. Oh, Twisties. Twisties Chickadees. But it was a long time ago, no? It was a long time ago. Chickadees. Hey, what we're doing? We are making a tier list of Malaysian snack. You know what I mean? So, pull up Apocalypse. I put it. I put it C lah. It was I, right? Asayam is sedap but not as good as chicken wing. Indeed. Yeah, it was I for me. It was I. No, Pringles is always S tier for me, dude. Pringles is always S tier for me. It is good for watching a movie. It is good for just eating it like that. It is good moving if you're chatting with your friends. Pringles is good, dude. Oh, there's one more. It's not Pringles. Apa lagi one more? Besides Pringles, there's another one name. It's like Pringles, but Mr. Potato. Yeah, Mr. Potato. Pringles, I prefer Mr. Potato. I prefer Mr. Potato than Pringles, but the fact that the category is S tier. That category is S tier, dude. Oh, roller coaster lain. Oh, roller coaster is so goated. Roller coaster. You guys know roller coaster? Roller coaster snack. Dude, roller coaster snack ni sumpah fire gila. Sedap gila tu. This roller coaster shit. By Jack and Jill. Dude, this is fun. Ada lagi? Ada lagi tu. Ada. Korang pergi je kat mana-mana. Ada lagi roller coaster ni. Ni sedap gila tu. W Snacks indeed, bro. Indeed. Terus tu juga ajaiban dunia. No cap. Roller coaster never disappoints us. Indeed. Ni memang sedap, dude. Sugus. Okay, I put Sugus at, okay, I put Sugus at B. Okay, I put Sugus at B. Alright, I put Sugus at B. Okay, listen. For me, Qantas OP yang dulu spam beli kat Co-op everyday, Qantas ada dekat A tier ni. Okay, Sugus I put it B. Why? Sebab dia sedap. Okay, this shit is good. Sugus is good. But I have a fucked up teeth. Okay, my teeth is everywhere. That's why I wear braces, right? So every time I eat Sugus, it is going to get dekat celah-celah gigi, dekat sini lah, dekat situ lah, dekat sini lah, kat apalah, you know? I'm pretty sure not me alone like that.
Thank you so much, best friend.
Carls, thank you so much for follow, Carls. Appreciate you, my man. Wait, Carls, is that you, bro? Bro, I've been seeing your clips on TikTok, bro, but I haven't dropped you a follow, man. I should be. Thank you so much, Carls. Carls is a Malaysian streamer as well, trying to make it into the top, just like me, Hale, and everyone. You know what I mean? What's good, Carls? Dum, thank you so much for donut, bro. Appreciate you, my guy. But bro, I swear to God, how long you been streaming? I've been streaming for 4 years, man. I've been streaming for 4 years, dude. I'm still going in. How about you, man? Dude, I feel Sugus is annoying because they're always going to be stuck in your teeth, dude. And you know what? I got a story, chat. You know why? Because, okay, I finished my school, right? Back in the day. I finished my school. Alright, I finished my school. I bought it at my nearest co-op and I put it in my pocket, right? And then I forgot about the Sugus. I feel like, I can eat it later at night. When I take it out from my pockets, bro, it melts inside my goddamn trousers, dude. It melts inside my goddamn trousers. Sugus is so goddamn fragile, dude. Sugus is so goddamn fragile. It melts indeed, bro. Indeed. Damn okay, I like the grind, bro. We are sure, all of us Malaysian streamer are grinding, right? So I'm pretty sure you're grinding too. So keep up the grind, Carls. I'm gonna give you follow back as well, dude. Melekat dekat podcast luar. Indeed, bro. Indeed. I can imagine how mad your mom is. Yeah, my mom is so mad at me. Like cakap macam, kau makan Sugus dia lah, letak dalam seluar, you know, type shit, you know. Yeah, kertas dia pun annoying ke. Seluar rasmi tu Sugus. Indeed, bro. Oh, you saw the collab with Hale? I appreciate you for coming by, man. Yeah, the collab was crazy. We do like a podcast thingy and early shit, talking about future and stuff. And yeah, my claim is glitching because of the technical issues, but bear with that, guys. I hope you guys don't find it annoying. I hope you guys are okay with the glitching, guys. Put action on F. Setelah kertas, aku pernah. I've been there. I accidentally swallowed a kertas as well. You know, it's not really a podcast, but we just yapping, you know, clickbait here and there. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. Cuz, if you want to collab, let me know, cuz. I'm down for collab as well, cuz. We should collab too. You know what I mean? You only get one half, then another half you gotta throw it away with rap. Apocalypse, that is so facts. That is so facts, dude. Alright, chicken ring, chat. Chicken ring, still chicken ring, chicken ring, still chicken ring. Come on now, Esther. Malaysian collab for real? Yeah, we should collab, cuz. Let me know. If you want to join my Discord, go ahead. I'll join your Discord too. And then I can add you. And then let's talk on Discord. Dude, chicken ring. If you guys remember, chicken ring is the gold. Don't ring me kalau lu bukan chicken. Don't ring me kalau you bukan chicken. And don't put for girls. This is for girls, okay? Girls, if you see a man, okay, if girls, okay, any girls in the chat, if you are a girl and your boyfriend want to propose to you, right? Don't put the ring on me if you ain't got chicken ring, bitch. I want my ring as a chicken ring, bitch. Talk that shit, clear that shit. You know what I mean? Je lah there. How old am I? I'm 69. No, I'm joking. Wait, I'm not gonna dox my age here, but girls, come on. We can DM and talk about that. Alright. Okay. Tora, Tora, apa put at C? Tora, put at C. No worries, cuz. Tora, apa put at C, dude? Why? Again, like I said earlier, I always get scammed. Tora and Ding is the same one, huh? The fuck? Yeah, go see. Yeah, Tora dah ada lah. Dude, okay. I already told my chest earlier, but back in the days, I always get scammed with Tora, dude. I got all the shitty toys, dude. Alright, guys, thank you so much again for coming to the stream. I'll see you when I see you, guys. Much love, bro. Thank you so much again for the follow. Thank you so much again for tuning in, bro. Hey, you should search candy name Maltese. The fuck is that? Maltese? I think I know. Maltese? I never heard this shit. Oh, ni. This one is goated. But this one, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. I remember. Maltese. See, I remember this shit. Oh. The Horlicks chewables. You sedap, dude. This is good, chat. Oh, yeah. This is so good, dude. This is good. Oh yeah. This is super good, dude. This one also good. You know what I mean? But this is not Malaysian, right? Is this Malaysian? It says Singapore edition, right? Is this Malaysian? Ini unlock Malaysia. I know, right? Oh my god. My stream is locking y'all punya. God damn. Prime Boss old timers at Hindi, bro. But you guys remember Smarties? This one is Smarties, right? Smarties? What is Smarties again? Smarties? Oh yeah. I remember Smarties. Oh yeah. Dude. Smarties is the best. I don't know why they discontinued this shit. Dude, Smarties is the best. Smarties is the best, dude. I swear to God, dude. Date 881, that shit go throw that into the dustbin, dude. Smarties is the gold, man. I'm so sad we couldn't find that shit anymore. Most of them are gone now. Really, dude. That shit. Okay. How about what is this? Rostica? What is that? Rostica? Snake. Oh, this one. Oh. Amin. It's alright. I'll put it B. It's alright. You know what I mean? It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Rosika is alright. You know what I mean? OG points about OG Snapchat. Yeah, I put it B. It was alright. You never had to? Oh, this is like the OG, bro. All the young people doesn't know about Rosika. This is the OG, man. Better than Eminem in the cup, indeed, dude. Wait, FG, you never had Rosika? Rosika is quite good, but it was alright. Teddy. Teddy. Okay, hear me out, chat. I like the old Teddy, but I don't like the new ones. Dude, the new Teddy, you can taste the plastic in it, dude. You can taste the artificial chocolate, dude. I'll put it B, dude. I'll put it B. Because why, chat? I like the old Teddy, but the new Teddy, you can taste the artificial chocolate, dude. You can taste the artificial chocolate. It was yeah, dude, Teddy back then is the good, bro. But Teddy now, dude, nowadays Teddy is you literally can taste the artificial chocolate, dude. You know what I mean? Sekarang so fake indeed. Meow hot and spicy. Meow the crab. Meow spicy. What is that? Meow hot and spicy snack. Snake. I see snake. Snack. I can't type, bro. Oh, meow meow punya hot and spicy. I never taste this one. What do you guys think? Is it fire, chat? Is it fire? I never taste this one before. Yeah, I don't know. Somebody in the TikTok chat recommended this one. Yeah, I never seen this before too. Sedap gila, really? Alright, where can I get this? Is it available now? Thank you so much, chat. Meow meow hot and spicy. Dude, meow meow hot and spicy sounds so wrong. Okay, chat. Yo, we're not talking about the real meow meow, okay? We're talking about the meow meow snack, chat. Meow meow snack, not the meow 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 meow. You know what I mean? We're not talking about the meow meow. The meow meow snack, chat. Meow meow snack. Oh my god, bro. Okay, Maltese. Maltese is S tier, dude. Maltese is S tier, dude. Hai susu boba. Maltese is S tier. Y'all agree with me, right? Maltese is S tier. No cap, no kizzies. Like I said, dude. You guys remember this shit? This is going to be the same as Sugus, dude. Yeah, this is going to be the same as Sugus. The cube thingy, because it melts so easily. It melts so easily. So, I put it at B. It's the same as Sugus. It's just have different flavor. It's the Malaysian version of Sugus lah. Sugus ni is not Malaysian, right? Sugus ni is from Nestle ke apa dah? I'm stupid, I don't know. But Sugus comes from a big brand. And this one comes from a smaller Malaysian brand. Kenapa ada banyak gila orang ni? The fuck? Chicken this, the fuck? Ooh, this one I put in S tier, chat. You guys remember this? Chewing gum. This chewing gum is OG. This chewing gum is OG shit, dude. I put it in S tier, dude. This is an OG, man. You cannot see? Yeah. What do you call the brand? Chewing gum OG snack. Oh, bukan ni. Malaysian snack. Tak ada tu. I don't know what's the name of it. Ni lah. I put it. No, start rasa susu. No, not English. Dia jenama Malaysia. It's Chinese nama. Nama Chinese. Best of the tattoo. But lebih kurang lah, you know. Chewing gum is goated lah.
Let's go.
It's Carl. Carl follow me on TikTok as well. Thank you so much, Carl. Appreciate you, dude. Dan ni sedap, dude. Ni apa Ini chewing gum juga ke? What is this, chat?
Let's go.
Gazebo for the follow. Thank you so much. What is this? This is chewing gum juga kan? What is that? It's too small lah. What is this? Thank you so much for the hug me.
Okay, let's go.
Ejek, AJ, thank you so much for the follow as well. Appreciate y'all for coming to the stream. It's like kentang. Oh, the round thingy. Yup, that is S tier. Yeah. The round thingy. The round potato thingy. Oh, this shit S tier, chat. For real. Yang bentuk botol tu crazy sia. Yang mana tu? Botol? Yeah, that one. You guys know that one? Yeah, the it is still available now. It's not OG. Oh, thank you so much for the love you so much. Thank you for the gift. I don't know what you call this shit. You guys know what I'm saying. Bentuk botol kecil yang sebut-sebut dalam dia. What is that? That's S tier. Indeed, I see. Okay, next. Twiggies. Twiggies. Where should I put Twiggies, chat? Can I put it at A? I feel like it's S tier. But I feel like at A. Because I only like one flavor. The chocolate one. I don't like the The yellow one. I don't like the strawberry one. I like the chocolate one. 3 guess dia? 3 guess dia. Apa dia? Big Food. Ada Google search. Which one? Botol. Oh, this one. Oh, bro. Oh, yeah, dude. Wait, do you guys have... Dude, yeah, I still remember. The serbuk-serbuk ni. We call it cocaine. Dude, this shit is this... I hate this shit. I don't like this. Dude. But this literally unlocks my memory, dude. This literally unlocks my the memory, man. Yo, it comes to the straw. Dude. Yang satu lagi tu, yang tolak daripada bawah tu. What do you call it? No, there's another one. Yang itu aku suka. Yang you have to push it from down until the up tu. It's like there's... Apa? Shit. That shit is goated as fuck, dude. Dia tolak daripada bawah. No, bukan lipstick, yang straw. Dia dalam straw, and then dia tolak daripada bawah dari atas. Fuck. I know y'all... I'm pretty sure korang pernah makan. I'm pretty sure korang have eaten that shit before. Jap. Let me find it. Dude, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? No, dia bukan serbuk. It's not serbuk. It's... Yeah, straw kecil-kecil besar-besar ni je. And then makan. Yeah, that one, Benz. Yeah, yogurt buah straw. Is it yogurt buah straw? Oh, not this one though. No. Straw Malaysian neck. Did I say straw Malaysian neck? The fuck? Straw Malaysian snack. Jap. Dude, aku tak puas hati. Aku cari kak. Aku kena cari kak tu. Tak ada tu. Ya, tak ada tu. Yang kecil-kecil ya. Straw tipis ya. Yeah, korang tahu. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm saying, right? I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm saying, right? Yeah. Everyone goes to right now. Dude, dia macam tak puas hati tak tahu kan. Dia macam, aduh, tak puas hati tu, tak tahu. Oh yes! This one. We fucking found it! Oh yes, dude. This one, long CC stick, dude. Oh my god. This one, chat. This one, dude. This one is goated as... Oh, dude. You guys remember this shit? Oh my god, bro. There's a small one and there's a long one. Oh, god. I feel so fucking old. That shit was indeed, dude. Oh my god. What up, Melissa? Oh my god. Manis the Grizzly sedap indeed. My first six, literally. Everybody dulu flex waktu kecil-kecil buat macam ni rokok kan. Buat macam rokok, acah-acah rokok lah. Oh, gangster tu rokok. Padahal this fruity snack je. This is my rokok. I still remember. I used to flex that shit too. That shit embarrassing as hell if I remember it now. You know what I mean? Oh fuck. Oh, we should stick to the goddamn tier, guys. We should stick to the goddamn tier. Cadbury Eclairs? What the fuck is that? Eclairs? Oh fuck. Yeah, this shit good too. Dude, this shit good too, dude. Yo, what the fuck? Dude, Eclairs is so fucking fire. I don't know. Wait, did they discontinue this shit? I don't see it anywhere, man. I don't see it anywhere. Did they continue this shit? I don't see it anywhere. Am I tripping? Dude, I don't see it anywhere, dude. Why, Dude, sedap gila tu ni. Super sedap gila. Okay, Bigfoot aku dah letak kat B tadi. Alright, Bigfoot. Wait, ni dah berulang dah ni. Physicola. Yeah, it's the same. What is this, dude? Is that Disco Lutut? Chat? Dude, Biscuit Lutut. Shit. Dude, I have like a love-hate relationship with Biskut Lutut. Okay, chat, listen. Biskut Lutut is hard as fuck, dude. You cannot even eat Biskut Lutut just by itself. Okay? But if you dip it in teh panas, Biskut Lutut is S tier. If you dip Biskut Lutut in teh panas, oh, bilo panas as well. Kopi O pun sedap. Aku cakap teh panas sebab my branding, chat. Is yang teh kan? Is yang teh. Okay, if you eat this shit without dipping, it's like you eating fucking rock, dude. You can kill someone if you throw it to someone, dude. If you throw to someone, if you throw it to your throw might get into ICU. That shit hard. Okay? That shit hard, dude. Kalau tak kill psycho lah, you can die choking indeed. You used to eat with eggs just like that? Really? Oh. What the fuck eat Biskut Lutut with teh? Me! What do you mean? Me! Biskut roti tengok bola without dipping is crazy, dude. That shit going to be hard, bro. Kenapa tak ada twisties? Dia tak twisties ni. Probably sebab twisties dia tak kira OG sangat cool. But there you go, chat. Y'all fuck with the tier list. Okay? W tier list. Okay. Aku akan sebut Okay. On S tier, we got biskut durian. Y'all agree? Apollo chocolate. Wafer. Apollo chocolate wafer. And then Apollo waffle. The stick waffle. Bika. Kerupu ikan baby. Milo nuggets. Biskut beras Chinese. Nano. Oh, nano. Itu Lepas tu coki-coki. Green pea snack. Super ring. Pringles. Chicken ring. Maltese. The chewing gum. The keropok bulat one. Twiggies. And biskut Lutut. That is for S tier. For A tier, we got Apollo waffle. For A tier, Kopiko, Tam Tam, Oreo, Nini, Chupa Chups, Double Decker chicken flavor, Biskut Roda, is it what you call it? Biskut Roda, Hex, Contos, and Mummy Monsters. Alright. B tier list, we got Fish String, Bigfoot, Fizzy Cola, Chachos, Sugus, Rostica, Teddy, another type of Sugus, Bigfoot, okay, it's repeating. On C tier list, the 8-8 chocolate candy, Tora, Chickadee, that three. D list is Nabati and Toki. E is Coco Pie. No, Nyam Nyam. The plum thingy and biscuit icing itu. Yup, that is for me. Biskut. Kenapa dia letak biskut tiger, dude? I'ma save this. I'ma download this shit, chat. Yeah, W tier list.